Hello, today we're going to make some fish. We're going to roast this in the oven. I'm using sea bream. You can pretty much use any fish that you like. It is super easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at the fish that I'm using. I'm using sea bream. Now, you can use any fish for this. You can use tilapia, cod, salmon. You can do this with, steaks. We're doing whole fish, obviously, today. So, a couple of lovely, fresh sea bream there. They've been cleaned, so they've been descaled. The top fin has been taken off. The guts have been taken out. You can just get your fishmonger to do that, or these days in supermarkets, that's how you're going to buy them. Okay, we're going to prepare them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a knife, a nice sharp knife. We're going to score some slices, gentle slices, into the fish on both sides. Okay, so I've just scored the fish, as you saw. Now, you're going to need a container, something that can go into the oven. I'm using glass, so glass, metal, or ceramic. As long as it can go into the oven, you're fine. And you can see what I've done there. I've got a couple of lemons, I've sliced them, and I've put them on the bottom there. I'm now going to add some chopped garlic just on the bottom there. We're not using loads in this. And I'm not putting it on the fish, just on the bottom. Couple of teaspoons maybe of chopped garlic, and then some onion, chopped onion or sliced onion in my case. Again, just on there. We're creating a nice bed here that's going to add some lovely aromatics to the fish, but without overpowering it. We're going to place our fish on there. So we've now created a nice bed there of flavors. We're now going to just simply season this with salt and pepper. Now, if you want, you can start to get other things on there. Chili powder, turmeric, thyme, rosemary. Anything you want really, can't you? I'm keeping it really simple today. I've now got some oil here. Half a cup of olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. And butter. So we're going to get some butter in there. Maybe I'll pop one inside each of the fish. About 2 tablespoons of butter. And some people would now foil this, cover it with foil. We're not going to do that. Now what I want you to do is I want you to get your oven on maximum heat, super hot. As high as you can get it on, preheat it for about 15 minutes. We're going to pop that in the middle shelf, and this size fish is going to take about 10 to 12 minutes. It's very simple. Okay, and that size fish was in my oven for 12 minutes, really nice and hot. You can see we've got a lovely sauce at the bottom. It's crisped up on the top there. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. So I've just popped them on a plate. I'm now going to spoon over some of our lovely lemoned olive oil and butter. Really fantastic. Very simple and really tasty. Okay, and there you have it. I just served that with a few more slices of fresh lemon, a little bit of chopped parsley on the top. That is a beautiful, simple fish. Like I say, you can use pretty much any fish you want. I hope you enjoy that. I hope it's helped. You keep safe, you keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.